Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. Today we will learn how to add captions to your video. Let's start. Guys, you will need latest Premiere Pro update to add captions. You will see we have new workspace just for this, captions and graphics. You can switch to it while captioning your audio. After this, go to text panel here and make sure you are in captions panel. Here you will see three options: transcribe sequence, create new caption track, import caption from file. We have to click on transcribe sequence. This tab will open. Here we have option for language. You can select the language you have recorded your audio in, and of course it should be in the list. I will choose English. Now choose here the track in which your dialogue is, or if you have mixed audio in different tracks, simply select mix. I will select audio 1 and then press transcribe. You will need internet connection for this, guys. After the process is done, simply press on CC, create captions. Now here you can play with settings. You can add preset here. I always add subtitle default. Here you can add style. I will show you later in video how to add it. Even can choose line, single or double. Double is always better for me. Now simply press create. You will see a new caption track will appear in timeline. Play your video and see if the text is matching the dialogue. Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. Today I will show you how to install Premiere Pro in your PC. Let's start. Then simply double click on the text and edit it. If you are not from an English speaking nation, you will have to do it a lot. We can also edit it by simply double clicking here. Go to Essential Graphics. Click on these three lines. Now select text layer preferences. We will change fill mode to per line. It will help to make background of text better. Press OK. Click on your first caption. Go to Essential Graphics. Now we can edit our captions. Here change text style to your preferred one. From here you can change the position of text in case something is blocking it or the text is blocking something. You can set the length of your text by playing with this. Let's add background. Change the color you like. Now play with opacity. Let's change fill to black. Now to save this style, go to text style, click on create style, name it here. And press OK. Now you will see it is applied to all. And our text style will appear here. Right click on it and select export text style. And save it in your template folder. I will save it in downloads. Sunny caption style. Save. You can reuse it by simply importing it from your folder. This is it for this video. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment your doubts below. Bye.